Hi guys, I thought of starting a new series about skin glow for skin health. So I'm going to be covering all the superfoods which are going to help you get that glowy skin. I'm going to be covering certain foods that will help you get rid of acne. We'll be talking a lot of superfoods and a lot of hydrating foods. So when you talk about skincare and skin health, what you put in your body also plays a major role. We will be talking everything about skincare, we'll be talking about skin health, we'll be talking about diet, we'll be talking about superfoods. So it's just going to include everything. I'll be doing this series for as long as I can. And the first health tip for that is one of the best foods for a glowing skin, and that is ghee. Ghee has butyric acid, and butyric acid is healing for your gut. It helps you get rid of gut inflammation. It is highly alkaline for your gut and for your body. And ghee, in turn, it helps you retain that moisture in your skin. It gives you that glow, and it is highly detoxifying when you have it empty stomach. So always remember, don't run away from ghee. 1 tablespoon of ghee is completely fine, especially in the morning, empty stomach, and it will give you that glow that you're looking for, and it will also help you get rid of a lot of hormonal issues. So the first skin food that I would always recommend is 1 tablespoon of good cow's ghee. You can use A2 cow's ghee, you can use buffalo ghee, but cow's ghee is healthier and it has more antioxidants. So I hope you like this health tip, and if you are trying to get a healthier skin, I think you should start with ghee. And let me know how you feel about it. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section below. And always remember, it's never just a diet, it's always a lifestyle. So stay healthy, stay fit, stay grateful, and stay blessed.